Okay, hello YouTube. Welcome back to HM Garage. And today I'm using a fix-it flat. Cause obviously I have a flat tire. Tire is bad. I have to get a new one. But like, I just bought this product and let's see if it works. So first you take the top off. I'll do that in a second. Alright, top is off. Make sure you unscrew the valve. I already connected this to the tire. Connect the hose right here to the tire. I'm doing it in a second. But, the tire coming out. Then you take your hold this until the foam starts coming out. And when it stops coming out, you release. It's still going. When it starts shooting foam out of it, you can release it to stop. I'm not sure how long it takes, but let's see. Right now it's moving a little bit slower. That's it. Stop. Let's release. Then let's see how I do from now on. That's it. Then after you do that, and then before you all do all that, you have to shake it for 30 seconds. I already did on the video. So he said drive the car for 2 to 4 miles. And let's see, this is a little cold start by the way.